How to write the best prompt for AI tools. Writing effective prompts for AI tools involves a balance of clarity, specificity, and context. Here are some tips to help you craft compelling prompts. Let's start. 99% people can use AI tools. Like ChatGPT can't do Google Bard because good prompts are not given. And that's why then the majority of people would have the same complaint. That ChatGPT gives us the same, again and again, the same result. It will happen. Because every person there gives the same prompt. In this video, I will show you a complete process of making the perfect prompt. So watch the full video. 1. Be specific. When you use any AI tool, if you use it also, make your message clear on it. This is the first formula. Now, what does it mean? Understand this with an example. If you make facts videos and if you promote ChatGPT, right? 5 interesting facts about space, you will get the answer. But it is very generic and not specific. As you can see, if we take this prompt, make it a little specific and say that right. 5 interesting facts about planet Mars must be a specific one promoted. And you can see how much these specific answers and details can be given to us here. The difference has been found. You can see it. Now let's make the second most important point. Any information you read should be taken from an AI tool. It is important to specify what your desired condition is. For what purpose? For example, if I point to ChatGPT, explain the laws of motion in physics. You'll get the answer, but it's a big question. But if I made the prompt a little more specific, tell him I'm explaining his science homework to a 6-year-old, then give a short answer and explain. Now you can see how nice and sweet this answer is. That's how you get everything. Discuss the third important point. Now correct this spelling and grammar. This is obvious if there is a misspelling or if you write a grammatically incorrect sentence. I need help to understand the exact meaning of this, and then there may be random answers, so be sure to use the spell check. Now let's talk about the last most important point. Number 4. Output format. You must specify the format in which you would like your response. It should be in paragraphs, or points should be in table or quiz format. If you follow the points, you will be able to write a good prompt. For example, we now follow these 4 tips for creating a good prompt. I have a YouTube channel about space facts. I want you to tell me 10 interesting facts about planet Mars. Please provide the facts in table format. So this is my first part. In particular, I told him that I had interesting facts about space reality on one of my YouTube channels. Now this is the second part. I have also cleared the intention and told what I want. This is also covered in the third part, grammar, and I already checked the spelling. Now our last point is also covered. I asked him in which format I wanted the answer. Now see the result. It can help us in such a wonderful way. By following the points, you can create perfect prompts and get results.